In this video, I will show you how to change forgotten password on Instagram. Now, the first thing you have to do is to go to your browser and search for Instagram.com. Right here. Now, we just have to log in and click on Forgot Password. Now, once you're in here, all you have to do is to add your email, phone, or username. Now, I'm going to use my username right here. So I just have to click on Send Login Link. Now, it wants us to confirm that so all I have to do is to tap on your CAPTCHA and fill that out. Hit on Next. And now you just have to choose a way to recover your Instagram account as well as recover a password that you have forgotten. So hit on Next. So all I have to do is fill that out and hit Confirm. Now, after I have skipped the verification or confirmation of my mobile number and email that I will be using to my account, and now I can just change my forgotten password and make a new password that I will now remember. And I'm done. Now I have changed my forgotten password on Instagram. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps you reach more people. See you soon.